analytic inside and on a simple closed curve and on a simple closed curve C, and if A is a point within C, A is a point within C, then f power n of A is equal to n factorial divided by 2 pi I integral over the curve C f of z divided by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz. This is the statement. We have to prove this theorem. So we already know that Cauchy's integral formula. We have, take down the proof, we have Cauchy's integral formula what is the Cauchy's integral formula? F of a is equal to 1 by 2 pi I integral over the curve C f of z divided by z minus a into dz. Call this one as a equation 1. Call this one as a equation 1. Now, in the next line, we have to do the differentiation with respect to a. So f dash of a is equal to 1 by 2 pi I integral over the curve C. F of z I will write as it is. Do the partial dou by dou a into 1 divided by z minus a into dz. So f dash of a is equal to 1 by 2 pi I integral over the curve C. F of z I will write as it is. This 1 by z minus a differentiation is minus 1 into z minus a whole power minus 2, and the differentiation of this minus a is minus 1 into dz. How it will come? Differentiation of z power a, shift to the numerator, so it will become power minus 1. So differentiation minus 1 into z minus a whole power minus 2 into differentiation of the a is minus 1. So here it will become minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. So here I will write in the 1 factorial 2 pi I integral over the C minus into minus plus f of z. This z minus a whole power minus 2 I will take to the denominator. So it will become z minus a whole square into dz. Call this one as a equation 2. Call this one as a equation 2. Next. Same thing, double differentiation. So f double dash of a is equal to 1 factorial divided by 2 pi I integral over the curve C f of z into dou by dou a of 1 divided by z minus a whole square into dz. Again, shift this z minus a square to the numerator. So 1 divided by 2 pi integral over the curve C f of z. When you shift this z minus a square to the numerator, So differentiate minus 2 into z minus a whole cube minus a whole power minus 3 into differentiation of this minus a is minus 1 into dz. So again minus into minus plus. So 2 factorial 2 pi I integral over the curve C f of z divided by z minus a whole cube into dz. Call this one as a equation 3. Call this one as a equation 3. Next, continuing like this up to the differentiation of the nth term. Continue differentiating n times. Differentiating n times. So nth differentiation we can directly write according to the equation 3. So differentiating n times we get f power of n of a is equal to, in the place of 2 factorial write n factorial divided by 2n pi integral over the curve C f of z divided by z minus a n plus 1, because when you are doing the second differentiation we get the power 3. Here n differentiation means n plus 1 into dz. Evaluate integral over the curve C e power 3z divided by z square into dz over C mod z is equal to 1. Here also same method we have to use. So this is your graph, x-axis and y-axis. Here the radius is 1. So I will draw a circle with radius 1. So 1, 0, again 0, 1, here minus 1, 0, and here 0, minus 1. But here what they have given, the point z is equal to a is equal to 0. Here they have just given z square. So z is equal to a is equal to 0. Lies that 0 means it comes in the origin. Within the circle, lies within the circle, mod z is equal to 1. So by Cauchy generalized Cauchy's integral formula. By generalized Cauchy's integral formula, integral over the curve C f of z divided by z minus a whole power this one dz 2 pi I is equal to I yes, here write the formula 2 pi I divided by n factorial f of nth differentiation of f of a. I just rewrite the theorem what we have proved in the theorem, that means f of nth differentiation of f of a is equal to n factorial divided by 2 pi I integral over C f of z divided by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz. So here now we have to substitute our term. Now we have to substitute f of z, we know that e power 3z. A they have not given, n is 1. How? Because z square they have given. So z minus 0, 1 plus 1, then only we will get z square. So split this as a 1, the number plus 1. So n is equal to 1. So integral over the c e power 3z divided by z square into dz is equal to 2 pi I divided by 1 factorial. Again here n f dash of a value is 0. So what is our f of z? Our f of z is e power 3z. So what will be our f dash of z? 3 into e power 3z. So here they have given in the place of z, we have, in the place of a we have 0. So 3 into e power 0, that is equal to 3. Now 2 pi I, in the place of f dash of 0, write 3. That is equal to 6 pi I. 6 pi I. Evaluate integral over the curve C, z square plus z plus 1 divided by z minus 2 whole cube dz over C mod z is equal to 3. Here also radius they have given 3. So y-axis and x-axis, first I will draw a circle with radius 3. So 3 comma 0, again 0 comma 3, here minus 3 comma 0, and here 0 comma minus 3. So same here the point z is equal to a is equal to 2 because z minus a, in the place of a they have given 2, lies 2 means I will write somewhere here 2 comma 0. That means lies inside the circle. Lies inside the circle. Mod z is equal to 3. By generalized Cauchy's integral formula. Integral over the curve C f of z divided by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz is equal to 2 pi I divided by n factorial nth term of f of a plus z plus 1. A value is 2. N value. So n plus 1 means n value 2 plus 1. So n is equal to 2. Again we want, as n is equal to 2, we want double time differentiation of f of z. So f dash of z is 2z plus 1, whereas f double dash of z is 2. Now substitute in the above generalized formula. That is z square plus z plus 1 z minus 2 whole power 3 into dz is equal to 2 pi I divided by n value is 2. 2 factorial is 2 only. F the double dash of a value is 2. F double dash of 2 means f double dash of 2 is equal to 2. So 2 will get cancelled into 2. So value is 2 pi I. Evaluate integral over the curve C e power pi z divided by 2z minus I whole power 3 into dz, where C is the circle, mod z is equal to 1. Mod z is equal to 1. Here you can see the denominator term, what they have given in the circle. So first I will draw a circle with the radius 1. That is 1, 0. Here minus 1, 0, 0, 1 and 0, minus 1. Let us come back for the problem. Here e power pi z divided by, always the coefficient of z should be 1. Keep it in your mind when you are solving the Cauchy's integral or generalized integral, the coefficient of the z should be always 1. So what we will do, I will take 2 as a common. So it will become z minus I by 2. Z minus I by 2 whole cube into dz. So 1 by 8 I will write outside, integral over the curve C e power pi z divided by z minus I by 2 whole cube into dz. Here the point, what they have given, the point z is equal to I by 2. Z we can write in the form x plus iy. So it is an imaginary one. So how we have to write? That is 0, y. In the place of y we have to write 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means it lies 1 by 2. 0, 1 by 2 means it lies within the circle. So lies inside the circle. Inside the circle. Mark the point. Z is equal, mod z is equal to 1. By Cauchy's generalized Cauchy's integral formula, by generalized Cauchy's integral formula, integral over the curve C, f of z divided by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz is equal to 2 pi I divided by n factorial into nth derivative of f of a. Now write your f of z. F of z is equal to e power pi z. A is equal to 1 by, a is equal to I by 2. A is equal to I by 2. Next, n value. A is equal to I by 2. Then n value is power 3. So n plus 1 means 2 plus 1. Substitute in the formula. That is e power pi z divided by 1 by 8 into e power pi z divided by z minus I by 2 whole cube into dz is equal to 1 by 8 into 2 pi I divided by 2 factorial into, here f double time differentiation of the a. So f dash of z is equal to pi into e power pi z. Again f double dash of z is equal to pi square into e power pi z. So here also 1 by 8, 2 will get cancelled, remaining will be pi I. Double time differentiation means here pi square into e power pi z. But what is our z value? E power pi, z value means z is equal to a is equal to my I by 2. Z is equal to I by 2. So I will write z is equal to I by 2. So again pi cube I. So cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 we all know it is 0. Sin pi by 2 means 1. So here I will write I into 1. So I into I minus 1. So we get the answer minus pi cube by 8. We get integral over the curve C sin power 6z divided by z minus pi by 6 whole cube into dz, where C they have given mod z is equal to 1. So again draw a circle. Draw a circle with radius 1. So here 1 comma 0, here 0 comma 1, again minus 1 comma 0, here 0 comma minus 1. So the point what they have given, z is equal to a is equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6. Here you should not take the pi value as a degree because we have to do the substitution. So what we have to do, we can take pi value as a 3.142 divided by 6. So we get 0.5. 0.5 means 0.5 comma 0. Somewhere here I will mark. That means that lies within the circle. That means that lies within the circle. Mod z is equal to 1. Mod z is equal to 1. Next, again by generalized Cauchy's integral formula, we can write integral over C f of z divided by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz is equal to 2 pi I divided by n factorial, again nth derivative of f of a. So here our f of z is sin power 6z. So a value is pi by 6. N value again n plus 1 means 2 plus 1. N value is 2. Now substitute in the above formula. That is integral over the curve C sin power 6z divided by z minus pi by 6 whole cube into dz is equal to 2 pi I divided by 2 factorial into second derivative of f of a. So here I will write f of z is equal to sin power 6z. F dash of z means 6 into sin power 5z into cos z, because differentiation of sin is cos. Next, double dash of z means here double times of differentiation means product rule. So 30 sin power 4z cos z into cos z means cos square z. Differentiation of sin z is cos z. So cos z into cos z plus write 6 into sin power 5z as it is. Do the differentiation for cos z, that is minus sin z. So same thing we have to substitute in the above equation. So what we have to do here, I will write pi I. So in the place of here also once again f double dash of z value is pi by 6. So 30 sine power 4 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 6 minus 6 into sine power 5 pi by 6. Sorry, sine into sine power 6. Here we can make minus 6 into sine power 6 pi by 6. So f double dash of pi by 6 is 30 into sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. So whole power 4. Cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. May write the values. Sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2 and cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. Here whole square is there. I will write square. Minus 6, 1 by 2 whole power 6. So here finally I just write like here this side f dash of pi by 6 is equal to 30 divided by 2 power 4 means 16 into 3 divided by 4 minus 6 divided by 2 power 6 is 64. So 90 minus 6. 90 minus 6 is 84 divided by 64. So again here we get 21 by 16. So we can substitute in the place f2 of a means f2 of a value is pi by 6. So I will write pi into I into 21 divided by 16. That means 21 by 16 into pi I. Evaluate integral over the curve C sin pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 1 whole square again z minus 2 into dz, where C is the circle, mod z is equal to 3. First, I will draw a graph with the radius and then we will see the point substitution. So 3, 0, 0, 3, 0, minus 3, again minus 3, 0. Now, first we will see the partial differentiation, that is z minus 1 whole square into z minus 2. So, a divided by z minus 1, b divided by z minus 1 whole square plus c divided by z minus 2. 1 is equal to a into z minus 1 into z minus 2 plus b into z minus 2 plus c into z minus 1 whole square. Z minus 1 whole square. Next, here first put z is equal to 1. Put z is equal to 1. If we put z is equal to 1, a and c will become 0, b is equal to minus 1. So b is equal to minus 1. Put z is equal to 2. If we put z is equal to 2, a and b will become 0 and c will be 1. Next, put z is equal to 0. Put z is equal to 0. 1 is equal to 2a minus 2b again plus c plus c. Now we have to find out the value. So 1 is equal to 2a I will write as it is. B value is plus 2. C value is plus 1. Again 1 is equal to 1 minus 3 is equal to 2a. a is equal to 2 by minus 2, that is minus 1. Now you substitute here. Directly I will apply the integral here. I will write the f of z sin pi z square plus cos pi z square divided by z minus 1 whole square z minus 2 is equal to first integral over the c. Here I will write f of z is equal to sin pi z square plus cos pi z square. So I will write f of z divided by z minus 1. So a value is minus. So minus f of z divided by z minus 1 dz. B value again minus integral f of z divided by z minus 1 whole square. C value f of z divided by z minus 2 into dz. Call this one as the equation 2. Now already I have drawn the circle here. Now I will consider this above equation as a I1 plus I2 plus I3. I will call this one as a equation 3. So in the I1, the point z is equal to a is equal to 1. So 1 means somewhere here 1 comma 0 lies within the circle. So within the circle mod z is equal to 3. So according to the here power 1 is there. So we have to apply the Cauchy's integral theorem. What is our Cauchy's integral theorem? In yesterday's class we have seen the formula for the Cauchy's integral. If it lies inside the circle, integral over the curve C, f of z divided by z minus a is equal to 2 pi into f of a. So this implies integral over the curve C, f of z divided by z minus 1 into dz is equal to 2 pi I. Here our f of a value is 1. What is our f of z value? Here is, if you substitute 1, so 2 pi I sin pi, when you substitute z is equal to 1, we get cos pi. So sin pi is 0, so we get cos pi is minus 1, so we get 2 pi I minus 2 pi I. So next I2, their point, there also the point z is equal to a is equal to 1 lies within the circle. So here, because the I2 is a power of 2, we have to apply Cauchy's generalized integral formula. So integral curve over C f of z divided by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz is equal to 2 pi I divided by n factorial. Your n value is 1 here. How? F of z we already know. A value is 1. N, because here power 2 is there. 1 plus 1. So n value is 1. So 2 pi I, or else you can write integral over the curve C f of z divided by z minus 1 whole power 2 dz is equal to 2 pi I divided by 1 factorial. Again, a value is 1. So, f of 1, or we can do the differentiation here. Here only I will do the differentiation of this f of z. So, f dash of z is equal to cos pi z square into 2 pi z minus sin pi z square into 2 pi z into 2 pi z. So here a is 1. So when you substitute in this f dash of 1, the value, what it will come, cos pi value is minus 1. So I will write 2 pi I cos pi value is minus 1 into 2 pi sin pi value is 0. So we get minus 4 pi square I minus 4 pi square I. I3, here the point is z is equal to a is equal to 2. So somewhere I will mark here 2 comma 0. That is also lies within the circle. Within the circle. So as we have here power 1, we can use only the Cauchy's integral formula. So integral over the c f of z divided by z minus 2 into dz is equal to 2 pi I into f of 2 into f of 2 into f of 2. So into f of 2 means here we have to substitute. That is 2 pi I, open the bracket. Wherever z is there, we have to substitute 2. So sin 4 pi, because 2 square is 4 pi, plus cos 4 pi. So sin 4 pi is 0, cos 4 pi is 1. So we get only 2 pi. So here this we can call equation 5 and this we can call equation 6. Now substitute equation 4, 5, 6 in equation 2. So I will write the complete term. Because of no space, I will write I will put right minus f of z divided by z minus 1 into dz. So minus 2 pi I. Again minus f of z minus 1 whole square. That value is minus 4 pi square I plus f of z divided by z minus 2 into dz. That I will write 2 pi I. So 2 pi I, 2 pi I, 4 pi I plus 4 pi square I. Now take 4 pi I as a common. So 1 plus pi. We get 1 plus pi. 4